Hi, I want to reintroduce you to an older pattern of mine called Rose Song. This was originally knit in fibre space chunky yarn, scrumptious yarn, that has since been discontinued. And I love the pattern so much that we have reknit it in a new sample in Donegal chunky, and we have put a new pattern together. Now at the same time, we created a course that you can go through if you don't know the techniques. You may be watching this from the course now, and if you are, you're very welcome. If you haven't joined the course, you'll find a link in the description down below where you can join for free, and it'll put together all of the techniques you're going to need as you work your way through this shawl. So I think this shawl is a really good introduction to shawl knitting for a beginner because of the fact that it is in a chunky yarn. The stitches are very big and you get a really good feel for how lace patterns work within knitting. So you've got written pattern, you've got a charted pattern, and you just work your way through it, doing increases and decreases to create that pattern. So as we work our way through it, and let me hold it up here, you'll begin up at the top here, and we'll start with a garter tab cast on, which means that you don't have a hole here. And then you're going to be working a series of increases. These big yarn overs are where those increases happen. And so it starts growing down this way and growing out each side at the same time. So you can see that you get a really big, bold, graphic design when you're doing it in a lace pattern like this, because of the fact that the stitches are big, the yarn overs are big, and so it's a very bold pattern. So when you finish, you're down here, and this is your bind off all the way across here. So it means that you're starting from just a tiny number of stitches, and then it's increasing all the way out to the bottom. Now the yarn we used for this was Donegal chunky. It's a chunky weight yarn, but what it does is it's one that blooms really nicely, and it's very happy to be knit at a slightly looser gauge. Because when you're creating a lace pattern, that's one thing you do want. You want a yarn it's a chunky weight to begin with, and then when you block it and stretch it out, it's going to look well at that more open gauge. Sometimes ones aren't going to look so well. Maybe they'll look a little uneven, or maybe the stitches don't look great. So if you've got some chunky yarn in your stash that you think might work, swatch it, try to swatch, work your way through it, and then most importantly, block that swatch. If you haven't blocked a swatch before, you can block it the very same way as you would the actual shawl. So just look down through the course while you learn how to block the actual shawl to work through it. So all you need to get started now is to get cast on with that garter tab and start working your way through that course. And welcome to Rose Song.